Have you ever felt a quiet space inside you, even when people are around? A moment that is just yours, a place where only you exist. What if I tell you English has a word that captures that feeling perfectly? Curious? Let's find it out together. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Welcome back to Shaheda English Paradise. I'm your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 7 of our 60-day English vocabulary confidence journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and truly own them. And at the end of this lesson, you'll receive a special reward. So stay tuned with us until the end. Today's word is alone. Repeat after me. Alone. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. Alone doesn't only mean lonely. You can be alone and peaceful, alone to think clearly, alone and discovering yourself. When you say alone, English speakers understand your quiet truth. This is not just a challenge. At the end of the 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments depending on the platform you are using. For those who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private vocabulary program, short, focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. If you would like to continue learning after today's lesson, every lesson in this 60-day English series also comes with a complete study blog on my website. In the blog section, you will find the full written lesson with subtitles, detailed explanations, extra example sentences, and everything we have covered today, all in one place. It's a great way to review today's lesson at your own pace and strengthen your understanding. While you are there, you can also book your private lessons directly through my website. Now here is your reward. She felt alone in a crowd, but calm inside. He went for a walk alone to clear his mind. Notice something important? We say, I am alone, not I alone, in casual conversation. That's it. One word, but now it's full of feeling. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using alone. Then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream English course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 7. Tomorrow, day 8, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Before you go, don't forget to visit the blog section on my website for today's complete study guide. It's there whenever you would like to review the lesson or get some extra practice. Thank you for learning with me today. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda English Paradise, learn English with smartness, prepare for success. See you in the next lesson.